from the lead up to the Conquest fight, it got me thinking a few things. Could you imagine if Conquest just did not sound like anything we expected? This is probably what most people think he sounds like.
Stand ready for my arrival, worm.
But could you imagine how funny it would be if he just sounded old and not intimidating? Here's my impression of that.
You have been appointed the Viltrumite agent of this planet, charged with preparing for eventual takeover by our empire. I'm here to confirm your progress made toward that task. If there is none, I will assume duties and take over. If you oppose me, I will kill you.
Yeah, but it's probably not gonna happen, so yeah, it's like whatever. Bye.